wells where the Nile begins. Drumbeats echo through the Baobab trees. Africa United, hear the rhythm of the free. Mountains stand tall where the eagles dare. Voices of the ancestors dance in the air. From Timbuktu to the Cape Town lights, one heartbeat under the starry nights. Oh, can you feel it now? The spirit calls your name. From desert sands to the rivers wide, we are the flame. Africa united, strong and true. 1,000 colors in one hue. From every tribe and every creed, we rise together, we are free. Children laughing in the marketplace, dreams all woven with such grace. Hand in hand we build the way, tomorrow's hope in today's clay. Oh, can you hear it now, the song of unity? From the Congo deep to the Sahara sun, we sing in heart.